we are very thankful that you have given your precious time to us.
My pleasure.
And being a prominent personality of GLA, I would like to ask you that how do you manage your time?
That's a very good question, because you know, in the world, everybody has 24 hours. Nobody has 48 hours. Be it Barack Obama,
Yes.
be it Manmohan Singh, be it Amitabh Bachchan, be it Sachin Tendulkar. Everybody has 24 hours in a day, right? So time management is an art, and you have to prioritize your list of works, what you have to do. So say for example, whatever work is most important, you should note down on this list. You know, this is a to-do list like this, and you always take that which is the priority. So always do your priorities, and always remember, eat the ugliest frog first. Have you heard about it?
Yes.
Eat that frog. You have read that book? So whatever work you feel is the most difficult, finish that in the beginning. So that's the way I try to manage my work. So I have a lot of time. Say for example, I see each and every movie, be it Oh My God, be it English, be it Heroine, be it any new movie. Right? Most of the time I am able to see the movie. Then you know, I am able to spend 12 hours in a day in the institution. I usually start at 8 in the morning, and I start from this place at 8:30. At 9 I reach. But you can ask my daughter whether she is happy with me or not. You can ask my wife whether I am able to give her time or not. I very frequently call my brothers, my sisters, my nephews, my nieces. So I am in touch with everybody. And at the same time, I am able to study also. Right? Last year I did my executive MBA from IIT Mumbai, and I used to go to Delhi every Saturday and Sunday, and I taught that also. You know, that I was the overall topper. That's the shield there. So again, this is how you manage your time. So हो लगन के पाँव तो पहुँचे बना, उसके घर को हर तरफ से सीढ़ियाँ हैं. So if you have the will, where there is a will, there is a way. So that is the way I manage the time.
So since there is a famous proverb that is winners don't do different things, but they do things differently. In that context, I would like to ask you, what qualities do a leader have in your viewpoint?
See, I usually quote a few lines from J.R.D. Tata, which are the, what can I say, the ideal lines for me, right? I read it, and this I keep on my table. अगर मुझ में कोई योग्यता है, तो वो है लोगों को साथ लेकर चलना, उनके तौर तरीकों और स्वभावों को समझते हुए. कई बार आपको खुद को दबाना पड़ता है. You have to suppress yourself. ये पीड़ादायी भी होता है. It is painful, but you have to bear it. मगर ज़रूरी भी होता है. It is essential. एक लीडर बनने के लिए आपको अपने लोगों का नेतृत्व स्नेह के साथ करना पड़ता है. I do not know whether you have to do the things differently or you do the different things, but the only thing which I have understood in my life, I do not know whether I am a successful leader or I am a successful boss or I am a successful director or not. This is upon the other people. You may see me as successful or as a failed director. You will say that Anup sir is not a good director because he did not succeed in achieving certain aims. So it is up to you. But for me, I feel that it is the love. It is the what Tata says, sneh, right? Which makes you a good leader. You have to understand the feeling of others. You have to be, a leader should also be very good in emotional intelligence. That is EI or EQ. What you say? One is IQ, right? That is called intelligence quotient. Another thing is EQ, which is emotional quotient. So the leader should be very good in EQ. This is my personal feeling.
So I would like to ask you, what tips you want to give to the students to manage their time effectively?
Okay. I would like to tell them to manage their time on the weekly basis, right? Not on the day-to-day basis, because maybe day-to-day your priorities may change and they may require more time. So what I say that out of 24 hours, if they are spending 6 hours for sleep, then 18 hours remains. Out of 18 hours, if 8 hours they are in the university, then again 10 hours remain. So out of 10 hours, if 4 hours they spent on their day-to-day activities like getting ready, taking bath, taking dinner, taking breakfast, changing clothes, etc. 4 hours are enough. So again there remains 6 hours out of 24. Those 6 hours they must study. 6 hours a day apart from their college. Now they can say if 6 hours every day we are studying, then when will we play, when we will fulfill our extracurricular activities, our co-curricular activities, then I tell them that it is 5-day week for you. So for 5 days you come to the college, for the rest of Saturday and Sunday you do not come. So again 8 hours of Saturday, 8 hours of Sunday they are still spared. So you have 16 hours in a week to fulfill all your activities. Say for example, now why I am telling you to spend on weekly basis, because if you are a badminton player, you play for 1.5 hours every day. So how much time you are playing? 7, 10, 10.5 hours, but you have 16 hours.
16
So
hours.
if you are playing every day for 1.5 hours, whereas you will not be able to play more than 1 hour if you are playing continuously. 1 hour playing badminton is enough. So you are fulfilling, you are taking care of health, but again you are not losing even a single hour of your studies, that is 77 hours. 33 hours
Yes.
at the institution,
Institution.
6 into 7, 42 hours.
Yes.
In the weekly, 77 hours you are studying, and then 16 hours you are spending
Your time
on your own. So if you are fond of traveling, on every Sunday you can go to Agra, you can go to Fatehpur Sikri, on Nandgaon, Barsana, and you can do whatever you want to do.
So to summarize this interview, what would you suggest the final as a whole for the students to strive for excellence? So what we say the Guru Mantra.
Actually, there are 2 or 3 basic things. I do not know whether it's going to be Guru Mantra, because I am myself searching for some Guru Mantra. Right? So I cannot say. People keep on saying that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. और टीचर्स डे पे आप लोग बोलते हो कि गुरु गोविंद हरे काफी लाल पाऊँ बलिहारी गुरु आपने, बट आई डू नॉट फील दैट यू नीड टू seek knowledge outside. Everything is inside you. So what I say, listen to the small voice within, that is your conscious voice, and most of the answers lie there. You do not have to ask me how to manage the time. You do not need to ask me how the good leaders do. You simply ask your own heart or your own mind or your own conscience, and that will give you the correct answer. If you are going to do anything right or wrong, or if you are confused, you just ask your conscience, what shall I do in such circumstances? What is going to give me pleasure? What is going to give me happiness? What is going to give happiness to my friend? She is in difficult situation, and your conscience will say, do like this. So always try to listen the small voice within, do self-reflection, and do whatever you love to do. तो 3 इडियट में भी मन करे वो करो, लेकिन मन से करो. आपका जो एंड्स और मीन्स है वो दोनों एक होने चाहिए, है ना. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एंड्स कुछ और है और मीन्स कुछ और है. आपका ध्यान क्या है, बीटेक करने में मेरी नौकरी अच्छी सी लग जाए, मुझे बीटेक में फर्स्ट डिवीजन आ जाए, मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, then it will be very difficult for you, because every time your mind is there, either in the job, getting the job, or in getting good marks. What you should do is, you should study for study's sake. मुझे पढ़ना है आज, मजा करने दो. Let me just enjoy what electronics engineering is, what computer engineering is. Once you are enjoying that, you will automatically get, other things will become the byproduct. Marks will become the byproduct. Now Sachin Tendulkar does not play for money. Amitabh Bachchan does not act for the money. Mukesh Ambani does not do the business for money. That becomes a byproduct. They do it because they love it. And because they love it, they never get bored of it. 23 years There's a long time and Sachin Tendulkar has been playing and playing and playing. जिंदगी बीत जाती है, वो खेल रहा है यंग आदमी की तरह, यंग बच्चे की तरह. So this is so love whatever you do and do whatever you love. ये अपने आप निकल आया लोगों को. Do whatever you love and love whatever you do.
Okay, thank you, sir. We are highly
Thank you.
obliged. We interview you.
My pleasure, my
It is
pleasure.
going to help us in our future. Thank you for your
I do not know whether it's going to help you or not, but it helped me, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.